Hello children, today the lesson is multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. See, before I start the lesson, I'll just tell you a small story. See, there were 5 friends: Taj, Meena, Mary, Noor Jahan and Sharmili. There were 5 friends. Now what they did is these 5 friends wanted to play a indoor game. So what these 5 friends decided is they just started writing in a sheet of paper from 1 to 50. From 1 to 50. They started to writing the number from 1 to 50 in a sheet of paper. Now after writing from 1 to 50, now what they decided is they took 10 sheets, small sheets, and started writing from 1 to 10. They started writing from 1 to 10. And what they have to do is, these 5 friends, they have to pick one number from that lots. Now what did Taj did is, from that lots, this person, that is Taj, he took number 3 from that lots. So from 1 to 10, they wrote in a small paper and they just put the lots. And in that lots, what did Taj did is, he took number 3. So now what did Taj do? He just put a stone, or he kept a stone on this 3. And he started adding the number from 3. 1, 2, 3. Now in 6th number, what did he do? He kept a stone. Then again started adding 1, 2, 3. So on number 9 he kept a stone. Again 10, 11, 12. So again on 12 he kept a stone. 13, 14, 15. He kept a stone. 16, 17, 18. Again one stone. 19, 20, 21. One stone again. 22, 23, 24. Again one stone here. 25, 26. Again 27, one stone. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Again 33, he kept one stone here. 34, 35, 36, he kept one stone here. 37, 38, one stone here. 40, 41, 42, one stone here. 43, 44, one stone here. 46, 47, 48, one stone here. Again you can't count because it is just from 1 to 50 only they decided to play. So now what did Taj get? He kept the stones in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. So this is for Taj. Now one more I'll tell, another Mary. Mary, she got number 5. She got number 5 in the lots. So this is Taj and this is Mary. Now in Mary what she did? She kept a stone on number 5. Then she started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One stone here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One stone here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what did you understand from this? So what they played actually, what they did is whatever the number they got in the lots, they have to keep a stone on that particular number and they have to start adding with that number. See, for example, Taj took 3. So with that 3, he has to started adding the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Same way, who is it? Mary. I said Mary took number 5. So she kept a stone on number 5 and she started adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how. Now what did you understand from this? So when you add the number repeatedly, this resulting number is called as a multiple. I'll repeat once again. Resulting number is called multiple. So this is only what we call it as multiple. This is a lesson we are going to start with today. See, when you add the number repeatedly, see this number I told you, Taj got 3. He started repeatedly, he's added the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, like that. So when you add a number repeatedly, this resulting number is called multiples. See, multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. So this means this is a multiples of 3. This is a multiple of 3. Now again, once again, I'll repeat what is multiple. When you add the number repeatedly, this resulting number is called the multiples. What did Taj get? Number 3. So what did he do? He started writing the number, wherever he kept the stone, he started keeping the stone and started writing in a paper. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and go so on. Till 50 he started writing. Okay, now this is Taj. Now what did Mary get? I told you she got number 5 and she started keeping the stones on that 5 number, adding it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So now what did you understand from this? So this is what you call it as the multiples of 3. This is multiple of 3. Now what did I tell you what is multiple? When you add the number repeatedly, the resulting number will be the multiples. The resulting number will be the multiples. Here this is multiples of 5. This is multiples of 5 and this is multiple of 3 and this is multiple of 5. Now what are the other persons got? Meena, what did she get? She got number 4. Again, same way. She started keeping a stone on the number 4 and she started adding 4, 4, 4. Now 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. Like that, she started 44 and 48. Now this is what? This is a multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. So what did these friends, they understood? They just understood the multiples of 3, 4 and 5 goes on. So this is what the lesson what we are going to do is multiples. So when you add the number, when you add the number repeatedly, the resulting number is called as the multiples. Next one, we go on to practice time. See, first one, you have to do the multiples of 8, 13 and 20. Now just I'll teach you now how will you do 8. Now what you do is, you just keep your fingers, 8 fingers you keep, start counting it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. Then again you keep your finger 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have started counting 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you got this multiple 16. Then again 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then again 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. This way also you can do, or now what you can do, just keep 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just keep 8 thing, whatever sticks or you have it, you start counting. After 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Because understanding or just reminding the multiples will be little difficult. Instead you can do like the sticks also you can keep. Then after 40, start counting 8. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Then now next after 48, start counting 8. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 65, after 64 only you have to count. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Now this way you can start doing it, multiples of 8. Now same way 13 also, because you can't have fingers, 13 fingers you can't have. So instead what you can do, just again keep another stick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now start counting it. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now again, start again counting. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then again start counting. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So likewise you can start doing it multiples. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now this way you can just start writing the multiples. Because sometimes what happens is you can't remember the multiples. Like this, a small stick you can have it and start counting it. Same way for 20. Now what for 20, again you can have a stick. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now start counting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now again start counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. See, this way also you can do. See, my dear children, actually doing like this way, it is actually easier and simpler. But this is not the way to do it. Because now you have come to 5th standard. Now what you have to do is, immediately when you get like this, you have to start writing in the rough column the multiples. Suppose if number is 20, now you have to start writing the multiples of 20. 21s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. So this is how you have to do it. Actually this method what I am teaching is, it's actually a simpler method and easier method. But this is not the way for you to do it. What you have to immediately, you have to draw a rough column and start writing the tables, and then you start filling it up the multiples. See, the next sum is write 5 multiples for each of the following: 15, 25 and for 50. See, again I'll repeat, you have to write 5 multiples only. I think you must be knowing the tables for 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75 and 15 sixes are 90. Now again this one, 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, then 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, then again 25 sixes are 150. Now again 50. Now 51s are 50, 52s are 100, 53s are 150, 54s are 200, 55s are 250 and 56 are 300. So this is how you have to do the sum. You have to write 5 multiples for this 3 numbers.